Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of whose app you click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about whose app and you can click. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.